Hi! For this video, we will be talking about ordinal numbers. So, what are ordinal numbers? Ordinal numbers tell the position or order of an object in a set. Let us identify ordinal numbers using an example. I have here some items to be placed in a box for donation to an orphanage. So this is the donation box. Starting from the left, which is this side, we have books, stacking tower, blocks, drum, xylophone, teddy bear, doll, ball, jigsaw puzzle, and crayons. There are 10 items for donation in this order. Starting with the left, we call this the first, spelled as F-I-R-S-T. Second, spelled as S-E-C-O-N-D. Third, spelled as T-H-I-R-D. Fourth, spelled as F-O-U-R-T-H. Fifth, spelled as F-I-F-T-H. Sixth, spelled as S-I-X-T-H. Seventh, spelled as S-E-V-E-N-T-H. Eighth, spelled as E-I-G-H-T-H. Ninth, spelled as N-I-N-T-H. And lastly, tenth, spelled as T-E-N-T-H. These are what we call the ordinal numbers in terms of its symbols and in words. So, look at the items and their ordinal numbers. What second item in the second row starting at the left? If your answer is stacking tower, then your answer is correct. How about the fifth one? If your answer is the xylophone, your answer is correct. Can you name the item on the 10th position? That's correct. The item in the 10th position is the crayons. Now, let's try to go back with the set or the ordinal numbers. So, take a look at the ordinal numbers in symbols. So, these are the symbols. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. Let's take a look at ordinal numbers in symbols. So ordinal numbers in symbols are just numbers with their corresponding two ending letters. So you can notice that the first three ordinal numbers, the first, second, and third, have different two ending letters from the rest. No? So for the first ordinal number, this first ordinal number here, in symbols, we can see that it is just number 1, followed by the letters S, then T. For the second ordinal number, in symbols, you can notice that it is just number 2, followed by the letters N, then D. And for the third ordinal number in symbols, it is just simply number 3, followed by the letters R and D. After the third ordinal number, you can now notice that these are just numbers followed by the two ending letters T and H. Right? For the fourth, it's 4, followed by TH. Fifth, it's just 5, followed by TH. Sixth, it's just 6, followed by TH. Seventh, it's just 7, followed by TH. Eighth, it's just 8, followed by TH. Ninth, it's just 9, followed by TH. And 10th, it's just number 10, followed by TH. Let us have our last example in this video. So look at these 3 kids. They are in line for their vaccination. So the first in line for the vaccination beside the nurse is Annie. Annie is the first kid from the right. So you have to remember, this is the right side and this is the left side. Okay, so this time, the kids are in line starting from right. So Annie is here. So the line is starting from the right to left. So it is important to identify a point of reference or starting point to find the position of an object. So if the first kid is Annie, this second kid, this boy here, is Benj. And the third kid in line is Carlo. Now, for ordinal numbers, you have to remember very well that ordinal numbers describe the position of objects in a set. This will help us arrange things in a certain order or even identify the position of objects or people in line.